Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to actually distribute your application now. This is going to be for Visual Studio on Windows. If you want to know how to distribute if you're developing on Mac using Xcode, don't worry, we got you covered. There's a separate video covering that. So I'm guessing, if you're still here, you are interested in distributing it from a Windows machine. So what you want to do is go to Release, just run it, or just do build solution. Either one is fine. Now if you go to your project folder, before you just had a debug folder, you've got a release folder as well now, and you have an executable the same way you do in the debug folder. So let's just run this. It moans that we don't have the DLL files. So what you have to do is, before you can distribute it, go to your SFML folder and just copy, or I should say your project folder, or you can get them from where you originally got them from, your SFML folder. Copy these DLL files into release like so. Now if you run it, as you can see, the application successfully runs. These three files are not required. We'll run it. As you can see, it's still working. So all you need is the executable and the DLLs and any resources that you have. So imagine if, let's say in here, you had a folder called resources. Within there you had audio files, you had some images, you had some text files that you loaded in levels and save into. You would copy that resources folder into your release folder, and this is what you would distribute. Obviously you can rename this, but this is essentially all you would have to distribute. If, let's say, you wanted to a limited number of people distribute your debug version, maybe just for testing, you can do that as well, but you can't, again, just run it like so. You will need to paste in your DLL files and run it, and again, these files are just generated when Visual Studio compiles your code every single time, so they are not required. So again, make sure you copy any resources that you have from your awesome project, and this is what you'll distribute if you are distributing the debug version. But chances are you're distributing the release that just has less debugging features. It will just run faster with a higher frame rate. So this is generally what you would send to people and distribute and, well, try and sell, hopefully. So that is it. Just a very simple video showing you how to distribute your application using Visual Studio on Windows. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.